So this just came in the mail, and inside are two puzzles. I was originally gonna order the what was it called? The Chi MS, I think. But like I already have a bell, and I'm pretty sure I can like still get like good times with it. So I decided to not get a new Pyraminx. But these two puzzles, um, I suspect they will be my main. So yeah. Okay, the package has been unboxed, and now let's unbox the puzzles themselves. So let's go with this one first. This is the Volt V2. Sadly, this one only has the. Okay, so this is fully magnetic, which means including the UND layers, but the top and bottom are like the standard white. Okay, how do you open this? They're like the standard white and yellow, and I was originally gonna get the black and white top, but it was like out of stock. And even now, as we speak, as of May 20th, 2020, it's like still out of stock, the white and black top. So, and I personally don't think it matters that much. But like I really did want the black and white top because it looked cool, but I guess it can't be helped. I'd rather get a package sooner than having to wait like weeks for it to be in stock. It's like, obviously there's like the standard amount of grease on the cubes. Whoa, the heck? These UND layer magnets are so strong. Let me do some random turning. I think there's parity, so let's see. Do that. Wait, no. That, yeah, there you go. Oh, damn it, I messed up. Whatever. Maybe I'll solve it later. Okay, the next puzzle. Yeah, so all I'm looking for in this puzzle, the Tengyun the Tengyun V2, is that it's more stable than the V1, because I currently use the V1 for only for blindfold solving and for OH, I guess. But for like two-handed, I find it a little too unstable. It's like way too fast and I guess a bit too snappy. So if this is able to mitigate those problems, then that'll be ideal. Okay, this is what that plastic looks like completely different. Yeah, like, the colors are different, and it's like the center caps are like, it's like, I guess embossed. No, wait, hold on. It's like concave or something, convex. The heck, wait, hold on. This feels like a GAN puzzle. What? Okay, yeah, it has this like a similar feeling and sound. It's like really quiet, just like the V1 was. But it like feels like a GAN puzzle. I don't know why. I haven't bought a GAN puzzle in like a while. My latest one is like the Ganner UM. If anyone still remembers that? I got it like, I don't know, like 2017 or something. So I haven't felt the X or the XS or like any of those puzzles. So I'm probably not, like I probably don't know how those feel, so my comparison isn't apt. Yeah, but so far this is like really good. I think it has a different feel. It's like this reminds me of a puzzle I felt before. It's like yeah, it's like the GAN 460, the 4x4 that no one really paid any attention to. Okay, and the magnet design looks really cool. It's like 3 magnets, and I'm guessing you rotate them to get like a different feeling or something, or a different magnet strength. Actually, I'm learning about magnetism right now in my E&M class. It's like having to do like all the right hand rules for the currents and stuff. So I think maybe I can like do some math. It's like, okay, so if a magnet's like here, and so I guess like it's gonna you want it to exert torque. So if magnetic field is emanating like, I guess this way. No, that's the current. Okay, no, never mind. It's not electrically induced, so you can't use any of that stuff. Yeah, this is really nice. Let's see. It's odd. Yeah, I think orange cross looks pretty decent. Yeah, this is definitely better. Like, it's more stable than the V1. It doesn't feel like it's like a runaway cube when you turn. Okay, I'm gonna do let's do another solve, but this time using DR. Okay. Okay, that was probably extremely inefficient, but whatever. Okay, I think that's it for my unboxing. Gonna do a ton of. Okay, first I'm gonna have to learn CSP, like for every case, and then have to practice CSP so I can be good at Squan for once. Yeah, that's the unboxing. Okay, I've set up both of the puzzles and have gathered some thoughts and initial impressions. So right now what you're seeing is some solves with the Volt V2M where I did my first successful CSP trace on the first scramble, the one with the 8 edges on top and none on the bottom. And I also got a lot of cases I just learned from CubeMaster's video, like Shield Fist and Muffin Fist. So I set up the Volt V2 with Traxxas 30K on the slice and UD layers, some DNM37 on the UD, and some of the Speed Cube Shop Galaxy Lube, aka the purple one, all around the puzzle. It made the cube considerably smoother, but the magnets are still a bit too strong for me. I'm coming from a very sluggish Volt V1M, so I had a hard time turning because I wasn't able to control it. But I have no doubt that I will be able to turn faster as I keep using it and become more adjusted to the speed. For the Tengyun V2, I first tightened all the sides by a half turn because I noticed it was fairly loose out of the box. But now in hindsight, I don't think that was really necessary. It holds itself together really well. I lubed it with Traxxas 30K, some random SCS silicone lube that I suspect is weight 8, and some Angstrom Gravitas. First off, I just want to reiterate how much this puzzle feels like a GAN puzzle. I know I said earlier that I haven't felt a recent GAN puzzle, but I think that was a lie. I did feel the GAN 354 and a GAN 356X at comps and at school cubing club meetings. This cube feels literally identical to those. This is basically a GAN cube, but $20 cheaper. This is Dion's first attempt at a truly premium puzzle, and they absolutely nail it. It definitely will be my main for blind and two-handed solving, but not for one-handed. This is because the magnets are very clicky, a far cry from the barely noticeable magnetic click of the V1, so slice moves require a decent amount of initial force. In fact, the Tengyun V1 and V2 feel absolutely nothing alike. The Tengyun V1 has a much easier time with slice moves, and since I'm trying to switch to Ru for OH, I'm still probably going to be using that.